Hello, children of Grange in nursery and reception at Grange and adults of the children of Grange in EYFS. Welcome to 2022. We know what we are about at Grange. We are family. Look at that beautiful word, family. Here's a picture of a family you can see. That's one picture of families. Families look all each family looks different. There might be a mommy, there might be a daddy, there might be grandparents, there might be uncles, aunties, cousins, children. All of these things make up our family. But I'm going to say something else. Family, yes, that is like a mommy, like a daddy, children, uncles, aunties, cousins. But family is also the people who care about you. So they might not be related to you, but they care about you. Look at these children. They go to school together. They're a family because they're friends. They care about each other. They help each other. They help each other succeed, learn brilliantly, and grow and play together and be happy together. And that is what a family is. A family is people who care about each other and look out for each other, really, really care. So our school, Grange, well, we're the Grange family. We are a school, but we're also the Grange family. And that is because at Grange, each one of us, take your finger, pinch your ear, each one of us does good listening. Because if you do good listening, you can learn and you can find out things and you can grow and succeed. Point to your mouth, each one of us, we use kind words. Because when you use kind words, you make the world a better place. You make everybody feel good. Feel happy. And that is so powerful. And now take your hands, put them out. I love these hands that I got from the internet. We use kind hands, hands that share, hands that care, hands that help somebody who falls down to get up again, hands that say, I got you. I look out for you. I look after you. I'm family. I'm a friend. Let's give ourselves a CC salute for 2022. Hand on our heart. That's confidence. I believe in me. I'm going to be my best. If I make a mistake, I'll learn from my mistake and I'll get even better and I'll fix it up. And look at our beautiful world. Circle your hand outwards. Say, I'm going to make the world a better place because of all the kind things that I do. So that's our very own Grange CC salute. Good listening, kind words, kind hands, confidence for me, consideration for the world. Here are some class champions who've started the year brilliantly. Bob Marley and Maya and Camden and Arham. I'm so proud of you. And Niam in Sojourner Truth. And Amira in Sojourner Truth. And Mariam in Sojourner Truth. Well done, children. Great start. We're all proud of you. So remember, we're powerful. You can say it with me. We are powerful. We are kind. We are loved. We are Grange. Did you say it with me? We are powerful. We are kind. We are loved. We are Grange. And we are going to make it in this wonderful world of ours. They're the reindeer. I hope you enjoyed them for Christmas time. So let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. This is what I love saying. Let me see if I can hear you from my office. Let's be great. Come on, children. Let's be Grange. Let's be great. Let's be Grange. Have a brilliant week of learning, kindness, sharing, caring, and making loads of progress.